Hello viewers, you're welcome to Kelvin Mathematics class, and today we have a beautiful exponential equation. This is 8 raised to the power x minus 2 raised to the power x dividing 4 raised to the power x minus 2 raised to the power x equals to 65. Now if you look at this, first thing that will come to your mind is that 8 has a common factor with 4 and 4 has a common factor with 2, as in the basis. So bearing that in mind, let me just break the 8 to the power of x as 2 raised to the power 3 all raised to the power x, and is equals to, so let me rearrange that as 2 raised to the power x all raised to the power 3. I did this from the law that states that when a is raised to power, let's say m, and is raised to another power n, it is going to be equals to a raised to power mn. So that was where I got this from. All right, let me also break down 4. So this 4x can also be written as 2 raised to power 2 all raised to power x, which will be equals to 2 raised to power x, yes, raised to power 2. So bearing this in mind, let me now say, let y be equals to the 2 raised to power x, since they are the common factors. So I'm going to say 2 raised to power x equals to y. So that means instead of 8x, 8 raised to power x, I'm going to be putting y, then everything raised to power 3. Then instead of 4x, I'm also going to be putting y like this, all raised to power 2. All right, now I can now put the minus here as y. I can also put here minus, then I should also substitute the y. And mind you, everything here is equals to 65. So now I can also factorize the numerator and the denominator because they have something in common now. So I can say y should be factored out. So y into this y raised to power 3 will give me y squared. And y into y will give me minus 1. So divide. What is common here? Y is also common, so I can bring y out. So I can have y divide y squared will give me y. And y into y would give me 1. So bearing that in mind, I have that to be equals to 65. Now you see that something, my y and my y can go. So I have the x squared minus 1. I can also break down x squared minus 1 as, y squared minus 1 as y plus 1 into y minus 1 divided by y minus 1. Now, I know that you will be asking, how did I get y plus 1, y minus 1 from y squared minus 1? This is from difference of two squares. So when you have maybe y squared minus 1, you can always put it as y squared minus 1 squared. So, and you can factorize this as y plus 1 into y minus 1. All right, so now you see that y minus 1 can go into y minus 1. Let's not forget the 65. They are all equals to 65. So therefore, I can now say that my y plus 1 is equals to 65. Now, let's make y subject of the formula. So that means I have 65 minus 1. So that means my y will be equals to 64. And remember, we said that y should be equals to 2 raised to power x. So I can put 2 raised to power x in place for y and equals to, now the 64, I can put 64 in basis of 2, in index form as 2 raised to power 6. So now, if you see, the basis can go, my x now is equals to 6. You may want to check the answer to see if that gives you 65, but I'm going to stop here today. I hope you enjoyed the class. I also want you to follow this page and share this video so that people around can also learn. Thank you very much. I'll catch you up in my next video. Bye bye.